Hello bag lovers, how are you? Hope you're having a great time. Today I will be sharing with you 4 unboxes or package openings that I would like to share with you. Some of my purchases from an online shop here in the Philippines called Shopee. It is called a Shopee haul. Shopee is like an app in very like the famous Amazon, but it is here very famous here in the Philippines. This is Shopee, and now they are offering free shipping to for their customers. So I have gotten 4 of these small items. One of these was a gift given to me on this Mother's Day, and my husband told me to order, so I ordered. So this one is for the Mother's Day present. So let's start. This is for Shopee Express. This is from a brand called Mumi. So the Mumi bags are from the Philippines. It is made from Marikina, one of the leather manufacturing people in the Philippines. And oh, she gave me a freebie. Look, it was a very cute coin purse. This is a freebie from Mumi bag. Thank you, Mumi bag. And then this bag is what I chose as Mother's Day present. Not very expensive bag, and I of course wanted to have one, even though we are in a lockdown. So I just ordered online. So this bag has this gold, very gold, oh wow, nice hardware. It is in a pink croc. This is very, and it has another sling. I like that, a longer sling if you want it crossbody. And so it has the Mumi tag inside with one pocket, small pocket inside. So love this, love. This is a baguette style, and this is a returning fashion statement at this very in style these days, this baguette style. So this one again, I want to thank Mumi for the freebie. Really like it. This is a small coin purse with a, I don't know what print is this, and so I like it. This is a small coin purse. Thank you, Mumi. And then let's open this one. Another big package. So this is on sale. I'm not sure how much I got it from Shopee. I think 100 plus pesos. So this is very cheap. This is a backpack with so it doesn't have any brand again, so it has 2 zippers. It's just a design. So you have a small pocket on the front, and then okay, on the inside it just has this big inside with another zippered pocket. And this feature also, I wanted this one. You have to put the earphones here if you want to listen to music, and you just let your phone inside. You just leave your phone inside and just place the earphone here. It's another nice feature. And then it has this one pocket here and another pocket on the other side. So I will just have to see if this bag is durable enough. I will let you know on my next reviews. Next one, this smaller package, again from Shopee. The other ones I have purchased even before the ECQ, but because of the ECQ, this purchases was, I think, stuck in the courier's offices, and the courier doesn't want to deliver it yet to the people yet because of the ECQ, because of this quarantine. So some of them I just received the other day. So this one is a very cheap one. I'll link the price. This is very cheap, but on the picture I saw this is very a thick material, and because of the price, of course the material of this one is a thin material. So I'll probably will revise this one. I have another revamp of this one on my next video, so I'll let you know. I'll make another video on how I will improve this one according to my needs. So, and then on to the last one, I have, okay, the last package. Let's see. Wow, this is a very cute one. A small, cute, like a doctor's bag in dark green. This is a jelly material, very wipeable, easy to clean material with the gold hardwares, and it's open on the inside. Doesn't have any pockets, but it does have this sling if you want to wear it crossbody. It's very nice. I really very want to go with the small bags these days. I'm loving small bags. I like the zipper. It's very nice, very cold. Place this on the crook of your arm. Very nice. So let's remove it from its plastic. I'm liking the icons in gold, but I never thought it would be this thin. Look, it's very thin. Feels like it doesn't have any lining, but it does. Very thin lining. So I'm thinking that I will be doing revamp on this one, some revisions, some improvements on my next video. And all of this I have bought. I will be linking them all on the description box in case you're interested on purchasing them too. And thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy, relax, and thank God for these blessings. Bye.